So what do you mean by determinants, students? Determinants. Only 35 members are there. Okay. First, write down definition. Determinants.
Ma'am, is this a new chapter, ma'am?
Yeah, it's a new chapter.
Ma'am, this is a part of matrix, right?
50.
Ma'am,
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. Tell me, sir. What? 50. ఒక నిమిషం నేను చూసి చెప్తాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్ నేను చూసి చెప్తాను. $49 50 సార్. 50 50 50 సార్. 30 లేదు సార్, 50 అది. 30 కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంది. ఓహో అట్లా.
good morning.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ రా. 1 minute. Sir,
this continuation
30.
of matrices.
Yeah, it's 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. It's a 30. If P is equal. Okay. Complete చేస్తున్నారా? పంపించండి సార్ ఒకసారి. P is equal to set of 1, 2. First question. Okay. Yeah, students, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, students. Today, new topic is determinant. For this separate chapter, matrices and determinants. Okay, matrices and
It's under
determinants.
the
It's a
same
new
chapter.
It is a new chapter. New chapter, right? This matrices and determinants, separate chapters only. It is actually separate chapters only. Okay, matrices completed. Next, determinants. This determinants. Next. So determinants to every square matrix. To every square matrix. To every, I'm here in determinants are taking only square matrix, either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 of order n. Of order n means n cross n. N cross n. So n cross n means rows is equal to number of rows is equal to number of columns. We can associate a number. You can take real number or complex number. Is called determinant of a square matrix capital A. For example, if 2 by 2 matrix, capital A, and it is denoted first, and it is denoted by det of A, det of A, not modulus. This is called det of A, or you can write det of A, or you can write delta also. This is not modulus. We call it as det. Determinant of A. Determinant of A. Now, if a matrix capital A is equal to A, B, C, D, 2 by 2 matrix, then the determinant of A can be written as determinant of capital A is written as det of A, which is equal to, this is given matrix na, convert into determinants, me take two straight lines. Okay, A, B, C, D. How can you expand this 2 by 2 determinant is, first multiply with downwards AD. So immediately it is always in the middle, it is minus only. Again multiply with upwards. Students understood what I am telling? Students, please respond.
Cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication. First multiply downwards. After that put minus in the middle. Next multiply upwards. Okay, AD minus CB. AB minus CB. AB minus CB. Example, students. A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. In matrix, we cannot expand. In determinants, we can expand. Understood, all of you? So this can be written as det of A is equal to det of 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is equal to, what is the answer? 1
4
into
minus
4.
6.
4 minus, I multiply upward 3 into 2 is 6. So 4 minus 6 is equal to
Minus 2.
minus 2. Yeah, minus 2 is the answer. Next, one note. One note. In note, for a matrix capital A, for matrix capital A, det of A is read as determinant of A, not modulus of A. Determinant of A and not modulus of A. Understood what I am telling, students? How can I read this one? Det of A or determinant of A, not modulus. Okay. Next. So determinant possible only square matrix. That is what? Only square matrix have determinants. Only square matrix have determinants. Students understood? Only square matrix have determinants. Okay. First. Completed, students, all of you?
Ma'am, 1 second. Show
Note down. Yeah. Note down.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you explain the determinant? Like generally, can you explain what is determinant?
Here, the taking square matrix 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Just in determinant here, that is, they're taking two straight lines to associate their numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, just you have to expand this determinant. You have to expand this determinant. In matrices, we cannot expand. In determinants, we can expand. That is only difference these two. Okay, students? Okay.
Okay.
So first one.
Mm. So to every square matrix of order, we can associate a number is called a determinant from a square matrix.
So it should be like 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3.
Yeah,
4 cross
only 2 cross 2, 3 cross 2 only. Only square matrix have determinants. Only square matrix have determinants.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Complete first. Completed, students?
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. I just want.
Yeah.
Can you show the note, ma'am, once?
Mm.
Ma'am, can you just tell the marking scheme for CBSE for this chapter?
Yeah, I will tell you at last. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I will share the model question papers, chapter wise. Don't worry. Okay. Completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, so this is 2 by 2. Next, for 1 by 1, 1 cross 1, 1 cross 1, determinant of a matrix of order 1. For example, det of 1 will get you what? 1 only. Det of 2 is 2. Det of 3 is 3. Okay. Let first. Determinant of a matrix of order 1. Determinant of a matrix of order 1. Now tell me, students. Let capital A is equal to, let capital A is equal to small a be the matrix of order 1. Be the matrix of order 1. Then det of A will get you what? A only. Second one. Order 2. 2 cross 2. Capital A is equal to 1 minus 2, 3, 4. Det of A, tell me students. What is the det of A?
Ma'am, 1 into 4 minus 3
1
into
minus 2, 3, 4. Now tell me the answer. 1 into 4, 4. Minus,
Four
So,
by six.
minus of minus 6.
yeah, 3 into minus 2 is
Ma'am, it's
minus
10,
6, which is equal to
Okay, I'm
10. Answer is 10. Okay. Next. Order 3 by 3. Order 3 by 3. First of all, before that, we'll do some examples. Before that, we'll do some examples.
Ma'am, what is it written, ma'am, for determinant of a matrix of order?
Determinant.
Determinant.
We are taking matrices, right?
One,
Only
one,
square
it is
Yeah,
matrix.
ma'am, it's written. What is it written, ma'am? Let A equal to square bracket of square bracket A be the matrix of.
For example, if you take 1, okay. If you take 5, order is what? 1 cross 1.
Yeah.
What is the det value for that? Is same value only it will come.
So we have to write let A equal to square bracket A be the matrix of order 1 by 1.
That's all.
Okay.
You have to find the value of determinant. Okay.
Okay. ma'am.
Now, det of cos theta minus sine theta.
Ma'am, it will be 1, ma'am.
Cos theta.
Because
What is the answer for
it will
this?
be cos square theta minus of minus sine square theta.
Yes. So it is cos square theta minus into minus.
Yes, minus into minus sine square theta equal to
Is
cos
equal
square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1.
Okay. Second example. Students, if A is equal to 1 to 4 to 1 to 4 to, then show that det of 2A is equal to 4 into det of A. 4 into det of A. Det of 2A is equal to 4 into det of A. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, it will be.
First of all, yeah. See, listen, students. Here, given matrix is capital A is equal to 1 to 4 to.
2, 4, 2.
First, take RHS. In that RHS, det of 2A. First of all, take 2A. So each and every element multiply with 2A. Then what you get here? 2.
Ma'am, it will be 2, 4, 8, 4.
Yeah. Then after that, take determinant. Det of 2A. Det of 2A is equal to take determinant. Write the values in the
2,
determinant.
4, 8,
2,
8.
4, 8.
8, 4, 8, 4.
Then what you get
2
here? 2
4s are 8
4s
minus
8
32.
minus. Very good. Then what you get here?
Minus
Minus 24. Okay. This is what LHS. What about RHS? Take RHS is 4 into det of A. Yeah, 4 into det of A. What is det of
4
A?
into det of A
Det of
or
2,
4 delta
1, 2,
equal
4,
to
2.
or yeah. So it will be 4 of 2
2 minus 8.
minus 8 minus 6.
2 into
So it will
minus
be
6, which is equal to
minus
minus
so
24.
minus
So
24.
therefore, yeah, LHS equal to
Therefore, LHS is equal.
RHS. Okay, very good. Students, understood all of you? Students, understood all of you? Is
Yes,
there any
ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
problem. Ma'am,
Copy.
ma'am, we can also say 4 delta, ma'am. 4 of delta.
4?
Of delta.
What delta? Determinant, huh?
Yeah, for determinant. Determinant of it. Determinant of it.
4 by 4, you're asking matrices?
Yeah, ma'am. In determinants, ma'am. Determinants. The definition you were like telling that we
Only
can
3
also.
cross 3 only, till for
Okay.
second page.
Okay. Okay.
Completed, students?
Completed.
Next, determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3. Completed, students?
1 minute.
Yeah, complete.
Ma'am, can you wait for 2 to 3 minutes, ma'am?
Yeah, no problem. Can first write. Which one you want to? So first beginning completed?
Yes.
Yeah, no doubt. Completed, students?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
2 minutes, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay, right. Completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, just 3 minutes, ma'am. 3 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next question. Order 3 by 3. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3. Let capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 1, 4. This is 3 by 3 matrix, right? This 3 by 3 matrix, how can you expand? There are 6 ways of expanding of a determinant. Okay, there are 6 ways of expanding a determinant of order 3 cross 3. There are 6 ways of expanding a determinant of order 3 cross 3. So we can apply, we can expand with the first row or second row or third row or first column or second column or third column. Okay, here I can expand how many ways? 6 ways. We can use R1 row, we can expand with R1 first row, second row or third row, first column or second column or third column. So what you get the final answer will giving same value. Same value. If you take first row expansion also, it is equal to value of the second row, all will be same. But our convenience, the first row it is easy compared to second row, third row, first column, second column and third column. Students, what I'm telling, understood all of you?
One more time, please.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 1, 4. Now, this matrix, write in determinant, data of minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 1, 4. We can expand this determinant by using first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, and third column. But here in this first row expansion is very easy compared to remaining second row and third row, first column, second column, and third column. Now I am using first row. Listen carefully, students. Data of A is equal to, this is always plus, this is minus, this is plus. This is always minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Students, listen. Now we are taking first row expansion. First row expansion, no, that's why I'm taking symbols only, plus, minus, plus. First. Minus 1 into, what is the first row, first element, students? Minus 1 into, minus 1 into, close this row, close this column, then you can get 2 by 2 determinant, det of 0, 2, 1, 4. Next, what is the symbol of 2 here? Minus 2. Next, determinant of close this row, close that column, that is delete that row, delete that column, will get you 2 by 2 determinant. Now tell me, students. Now tell me.
Minus
What
1,
did it?
2, 5, 4.
Yeah, tell me.
2,
So
4 minus
here,
1.
yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute, just 1 minute. Delete this row, delete this column, then you can get 2 by 2 determinant. Tell me remaining
Minus
elements.
1, 2,
Minus
5.
1, 2, 5, 4. Next, what is the next element? What is the next element?
Plus 3.
Students, what? Plus 3. Plus 3. Now tell me that plus 3.
Minus 1, 0,
Plus 3 of, now delete that row, delete that column, then I will get you 2 by 2 determinant. Tell me what I write here. Minus 1, 0, 5, 1. Now expand this one. Minus 1 into, already we know 2 by 2 determinant. How can I expand? 0 into 4, 0. Minus 1 into 2, 2.
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, 2 into, now expand this one.
Minus 4.
4 into
Minus
Minus
4.
4 into minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 10.
10 plus 3 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 0.
Yes.
Now I'll get you what? Minus 1 into 0 minus 2 minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2 into
Minus
4.
14.
3 into
Plus,
minus 1. Then we can write minus 1 into minus 2 is
2
plus
plus
2
28 minus
plus
3.
28. What is the answer? What is the answer,
27.
students? 27.
27.
Ma'am, it's 27, ma'am.
Yeah, 27. Any doubts, students? Please
No,
respond.
ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll
Okay.
a bit down, ma'am? 1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute, students.
You
Listen
wrote the plus,
carefully,
minus,
all of you.
plus. Why you erase it,
So,
ma'am?
yeah. So because here, while expanding with the row 1, we'll get you one condition is there. That conditions and all noted, minus 1 to the power of I plus j, that and all. That and all, no need. Just remember first row is plus minus plus. Just remember that one, it is enough. So no, you that again you have to apply the
Ma'am,
formula.
the first
that and all
element we
also.
have to make it minus, ma'am.
Yeah, no, yeah, minus one. Plus into minus, minus, right? Okay, expanding along first row means multiply first element a11 of R1 by minus 1. That minus 1 to the power of I plus j. That is what a11, right? First element is a11, a12, a13. Here, how can we get plus minus plus means here first element with minus 1 to the power of I plus j, 1 plus 1. So a11 into minus 1 to the power square, minus 1 square, it is plus 1. So write plus. Next minus 1 plus 2 minus, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. So we can write what minus, right? So that and all, no need. Just remember all these. First element is multiply with plus. Next one is minus. Next is plus. Like that, remember all of you.
Can you show that second row and third row also?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Second
1
row
minute,
and
we can
third row.
just scroll
Yeah,
down.
first.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is expansion with first row.
Ma'am, symbols for second
Yeah.
and third row you show, ma'am.
Students?
Symbols for second row and third row you show, ma'am.
Yeah, you can use that. Second row, we can expand third row also. First column,
no,
second
ma'am.
column, third column.
Symbols, that time you wrote, no, ma'am. Symbols, second row and third row, that one.
Yeah, we'll do the same answer only will get you.
Okay, ma'am.
Same answer only will get you.
Ma'am, can you do once with the second column?
Yeah, second column or second row.
Second column.
Okay. First we'll do second row. After that we'll do next. After that second column. Okay, completed, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now. Second row now I'm doing. Second row. What is A matrix? Tell me, students, what they given. Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 1, 4. Tell me the signs. Det of A is equal to det of minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 1, 4. Tell me the signs, students. First symbol is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So you're using second row, no? So take only those signs. Remaining elements are, we don't want, right? Remaining signs we don't want. So plus two, minus two, plus two, can delete this one. Now tell me, students. Tell me the answer. Minus 1
Minus
into.
1.
See, minus into minus, plus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the minus 1 sign here? Minus, right? Minus into minus, plus, right? Students, respond all of you. You're taking second row expansion. So minus into minus, plus 1. Now delete that row, delete that column. Then you can get 2 by 2 determinant. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, students.
2, 3, 1, 4.
4.
Delete that row, delete that column. 2, 3,
1, 4.
2, 3, 1, 4. Are you following, students, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next.
Ma'am, what is
After
this
that,
written, ma'am? The heading?
expansion along second row.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you just move a little bit left, ma'am? I mean right, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First listen, after that you can copy. Next, plus 1 completed. Next, what is the number? Next element. In the second row, what is the next second element?
Plus 0, ma'am.
0. Plus 0. Yeah.
Minus 1,
Plus.
minus 1, 3, 5, 4, ma'am.
Yeah. 0 into, delete that row, delete that column. Tell me the values. Tell me the elements.
-1, 3, 5, 4.
Delete second row, second column, second row and second column. Now tell me that -1, 3, 5, 4. Next number.
-2, ma'am.
Yeah, -2. Now
-1,
delete the third column, second row. Now tell me.
-1, 2, 5, 1.
Take determinant of -1, 2, 5, 1. Tell me the answer. 1 into 2 4s are 8, -3. 0 into anything, it is 0 only.
0 of minus.
-1, -10.
Yes, ma'am.
It is +5. -2 into -11. It is equal to -5 -22.
It will be +20.
Plus 22, ma'am. It's 27. Yeah, it's 27. Plus 22,
It's
which is 27.
27. Okay. So it is somewhat confusion. So first row it is
Ma'am,
easy.
can you scroll a bit right, ma'am?
Next,
Little
enough or
bit.
what? Anything. Next.
Ma'am, just do the column also one, please.
Yeah, column also. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute. A little bit more, ma'am. Okay.
Next. Expansion along first column. A is equal to -1, 2, 3, -1, 0, 2, 5, 1, 4. Det of A is equal to det of -1, 2, 3, -1, 0, 2, 5, 1, 4. Tell me the signs. Tell me the signs, students.
Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus.
Plus.
Minus, plus.
Hmm.
Minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus, plus.
Minus, plus. So here, expansion along first column. So tell me the signs in the first column. Plus, minus, plus. Okay. So now tell me. Now expand this one.
Sorry, +1.
Plus into minus, minus 1 in a
Yes,
plus, plus into minus, -1. Now delete first column and first row. Now tell me the answer.
0 to 1, 4.
Det of 0 to 1, 4. Next, minus into minus, plus.
Plus.
Now tell me.
2, 3, 1, 4.
2, 3, 1, 4.
Delete second row. Delete second row. 2, 3,
1,
1,
4.
4. Okay. Now tell me.
Plus.
Next, plus 5.
Plus 5.
Next, plus 5. Students, are you following all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Students,
Yes,
respond
ma'am.
all of you.
Plus 5 of determinant.
Please respond all of you students. Is there
5
any
into
confusion? All of you understood this one?
2302.
Yeah,
2302.
delete that row, delete that
2302.
row, delete that column. 2302.
02.
Now
It
tell me.
will, ma'am, it will be 0 minus 2.
0 minus 2.
Yeah, 0
Plus
minus
1.
2.
Oh,
Plus
Ah.
1,
8 minus
8
3.
minus 3 plus 5,
Ah.
4 minus 3.
4 minus 0, right?
Sorry, 4 minus 0.
Next.
Then
Minus
next
1 into
minus 2 plus
Ah.
1 into 5
Five.
plus 5 into 4, which
So
is
you'll get
2 plus
2 plus
5 plus
5 plus
20,
20.
which is 27. Again 27.
Okay. So here is nothing but what you are giving same values only, na? So expansion with the first row or first column or second column. You can take third column. What you get here? Finally, you will get you same answer only. Okay, but you are using first row expansion compared to all these. First row it is very easy. Understood, all of you students? Any doubt? Is it clear?
Clear,
Students?
ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Yeah. No doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
Next. Completed students, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Students, all of you, it is clear or what? No, still you have any doubt? The expansion 3 by 3?
yes, ma'am.
Next. Example. Evaluate the determinants. Det of 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 0. Second one. The 3 minus 4, 5, 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, students. Tell me the answer, students.
Ma'am,
Okay.
D
First of all, write the symbols. What are the signs?
plus
What? Plus,
minus
minus,
Plus
plus.
plus
Okay. So
uh,
3 into
that bars.
first column delete. Tell me remaining elements. Write in that 2 by 2 determinants.
0
0,
minus 5 minus 1 0
minus 5, 0.
0
Very good. Next.
minus 1.
plus 1.
Minus into
Ma'am,
minus.
last line is
Last
not
one.
there, ma'am. Like,
Sorry. What, ma? Last.
evaluate the last expansion of last line is not there, ma'am.
Expansion of
Last line.
where? Before this. This question. What you're asking, ma? I didn't get.
Expansion of last line is not there, ma'am.
Last line.
Last row, sorry, ma'am.
Row na? Last row. Yeah, you can do it. Any row or any column. Any row or any column or that is what we can do with the first row, for second column, third column, first column, second column, third column. Okay, but answers will get you same only, na? So why you are doing all that row, second row, third row, column one, that one? What is one? It is enough. So basically, actually, you are doing first row expansion only. Okay, na? Is it clear, all of you students? You are using first row expansion only compared to all remaining rows or remaining columns. It is first row expansion is easy. So that's why you're doing first row only. Is it clear, students, all of you? Students, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me the answer. Quick, fast.
Ma'am,
Next,
plus
minus
1.
into minus
One,
plus
zero
1.
minus
Now delete that
0
row,
minus
delete
1,
that
3,
column.
0.
Minus 12.
Yeah, delete that row, delete that column. Where it is minus 1, where it is minus 1. So delete that row, delete that column. Tell me remaining elements. Write in the 2 by 2 determinant that of 0,
0 minus 1, 3,
minus 1,
0.
3, 0. Very good. Plus into minus 2 will get you minus 2. Plus symbol is minus, plus
0,
plus
0, 3
zero
minus
plus
zero
5.
into
minus
minus 2.
5.
Now, where it is minus 2, that delete that row, delete that column. Yeah, delete that row, delete that column. Delete that row, delete that column. Tell me remaining elements. 0, 0, 3, minus 5. What is the answer? What is the answer? Tell me the.
Minus
So
12.
3 into 0, it is minus, it always minus on the middle. Minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5.
Ma'am, it will be 5, ma'am.
0 minus 3 into
You could
minus
have
1
taken
is.
Minus 3.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Ma'am.
Tell me, what's your doubt?
You could have taken the second row because there are 2 zeros, then it will cancel out. So you could
Yeah,
have done
very, we can do it. We can do it. Easy only. That.
Ma'am, it will be 0 only, ma'am.
Okay, next. 0 minus 0. Next.
Ma'am, it will be 3
3
plus
into minus
3
5.
in 3 into minus 5 plus plus 1 into
So
3
0
minus
into
3
anything, it is 0.
is 0.
So
Yeah.
minus 15 plus
Minus
3, it is
15
equal to
plus 3 equal to
12. Okay. Second one, take it as homework, students. Okay, students. Completed?
Ma'am, his second answer is 66.
Yeah. Okay, ma. I will leave the class now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you. Bye, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.